Oh boy, a flood is coming, and your business is at risk. But before the rain falls, you've got to pull yourself together and get ready. First, know if you're in a flood zone. Each zone has its own story. Some cautionary, some catastrophic. Know yours.
High risk, moderate risk, minimal risk.
FEMA's flood map will help. Next, every crew needs a captain and a best boy to assemble the crew and assign the roles.
Kyle, groundskeeper.
Let's start with landscaping and lemonade. A well-kept lawn reduces runoff, and
Proper slope directs the rain away.
What?
great, moving on.
Mr. Smith, barriers.
Sandbags. Hot dogs. Practical protection in place. Clean downspouts, seal wells, and patch cracks with care. All right, let's wrap this up.
Dave, handyman.
Ensure all electrical components are at least 1 foot above the base flood elevation. Precision matters. If your business permits, consider an HVAC system on the roof.
Completely out of the splash zone. Good job.
When the lights go out, your plan shouldn't. Oh God! A generator keeps your business running. Inside counts too. Valves that disconnect, cutoffs that seal, valves that only say yes to clean water. Floods don't wait for permission, but because you were prepared, your business stood its ground. And freeze frame.